Welcome back to Learn English Moments. Today's expression is, do you mind if? It's one of the most polite ways to ask permission in English, and you'll hear it everywhere.
Yeah, I hear it in TV shows and real life, but I'm not always sure when or how to use it naturally.
No worries. By the end of this lesson, you'll be confident using it in everyday conversation. Let's begin. 1. Meaning and use. Do you mind if means, is it okay with you if? You're politely asking if someone is okay with something you're going to do.
So instead of saying, can I open the window? I say, do you mind if I open the window?
Exactly. It's a softer, more polite way to ask. Let's try another one.
Do you mind if I borrow your umbrella?
Perfect. That sounds very natural. 2. Grammar rule. Here's something important. After do you mind if, use the present tense verb, not future or past.
Even if I'm talking about something in the future?
Yes. Correct. Do you mind if I call you tomorrow? Not, do you mind if I will call you tomorrow?
Got it. So, do you mind if we sit here? That's correct.
Exactly right. 3. Positive and negative responses.
What if someone asks me this? How do I reply?
Good question. If you're okay with it, say, no, I don't mind. Sure, go ahead. Not at all.
And if I'm not okay with it?
You can say, actually, I do mind. Sorry, I'd prefer if you didn't. I'm not comfortable with that.
So be polite even when saying no.
Exactly. 4. Real-life examples. Let's try a few common situations.
Sure.
Do you mind if I ask you a question? Do you mind if I take this seat? Do you mind if I leave a little early today? Do you mind if I use your laptop for a minute?
These sound really polite.
They are. That's why native speakers use this all the time. 5. Bonus. Would you mind if?
I've also heard, would you mind if? Is that the same?
Yes, but a little more formal. Also, after would you mind if, you use past tense.
So would you mind if I opened the window?
Exactly. Compare. Do you mind if I open the window? Would you mind if I opened the window?
Got it. So both are polite. One's just a bit more formal.
Yes, and both are great to know. 6. Practice time. Let's practice together. I'll say a situation. You try making a sentence using do you mind if.
Okay, I'm ready.
You want to borrow someone's pen.
Do you mind if I borrow your pen?
Nice. Now, you want to take a photo in a museum.
Do you mind if I take a photo?
Good. One more. You want to sit next to someone on the bus.
Do you mind if I sit here?
Perfect. You're sounding more and more natural. 7. Quick quiz. Let's test what you learned with a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence, and you tell me if it's correct.
Let's do it.
1. Do you mind if I will open the window? Correct or not correct?
Not correct. It should be, do you mind if I open the window?
Correct. 2. Would you mind if I used your phone? Correct or not correct?
Correct. That's correct because it uses past tense after would you mind.
Excellent. Last one. Do you mind if I leave early today? Correct or not correct?
Correct. That one's perfect.
You got them all right. 8. Final recap. Let's quickly review.
Do you mind if is a polite way to ask for permission in English.
Use the present tense verb after if. To respond politely, say, no, I don't mind, or sure, go ahead.
And we can also say, would you mind if, using past tense for more formal situations.
Now it's your turn. Write your own sentence using do you mind if in the comments. We'll read and reply to as many as we can.
And don't forget to like this video,